And Shonda, and welcome to DinkLife. We're at Epcot today, and we are drinking around the world. One of our friends that we brought down with us is turning 50 in October, so we told her that we would drink around the world with her to celebrate her birthday. So that's what we're doing. We're also just spending the day riding some rides and doing some fun things, eating the food, because it's Food and Wine Festival. We do try to get down here for that.
Yeah, always some good stuff to eat.
Absolutely. We've already eaten a couple of things, some cheese and things like that, but we want to take you with us so you can see what's doing and see all the fun things they're already eating, drink here at the Food and Wine Festival. So come on along.
Make sure when you arrive at the Food and Wine Festival to pick up your festival passport. The festival passport shows all the different foods being served at the Food and Wine Festival. It also shows exclusive merch to the festival. It also shows the concert schedule for Eat to the Beat concert series during the Food and Wine Festival. Make sure while eating around the world to collect your 5 stamps, and then at the end you'll get Emily's Fromage Montage, a strawberry cheesecake soft serve. Unfortunately, the day we went to the Food and Wine Festival, 4 new food booths opened. The Swirled Showcase, the Chard and Chop, Wine and Wedge, and Bubbly and Brine. This brought in a lot of extra people to the park, which made it kind of hard to get some food through the day. We suggest not going on this day just to avoid some extra crowds. During our stay, we also tried to do drinking around the world. To make it more manageable, we split the drinks 4-way, because it would be a lot to drink. Also, Shonda bought temporary tattoos for this off Etsy, so we could check them off on the way. We ended up drinking around the world counterclockwise. We skipped Canada, we had a drink in UK, France, Morocco, Japan, and the USA. After that we were kinda done and didn't complete anymore.
Too bad this place doesn't have
After going to Tokyo Disney Sea this year, it's surprising they never added the Venetian gondolas to the Italy pavilion. It's an amazing ride at Tokyo Disney Seas that would really make this area shine a lot more. This is the first time we've been at Epcot when the Drawbridge was up. This is located by the Africa Pavilion, and this is how they bring the fireworks in every day. We stopped by Epcot's Creation Shop. This is one of the best merchandise shops in all of the 4 Disney parks in Florida. They had a section of Food and Wine Festival merchandise, along with a Halloween section. Unfortunately, at this point in the trip, we were pretty stocked on merchandise in our suitcase. I thought it was pretty cute. This cast member had a dog, and the dog had a name tag just like every other Disney employee. Next up, we did Spaceship Earth, one of our favorite rides in the park, a classic. After Spaceship Earth, we did Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. This is an indoor roller coaster made by Vekoma, one of the best indoor coasters out there.
So good, you jump boy. It's going back to the dark time. Dark time, why?
To erase the error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait,
It's not gonna work.
Let's do this!
During our day at Epcot, we did purchase Genie Plus. This did allow us to get on all the rides we wanted to. The only ride we couldn't get on with Genie Plus was Ratatouille. The last 2 times we've been to Epcot, we've been unable to get a ride on Ratatouille with Genie Plus. So just watch out, you might not be able to get a ride for that with your Genie Plus. We did stop at the France booth to try out some of the warm beignets filled with 3 cheese blend. We also got the braised short ribs in Cabernet with puffed potatoes. Both were delicious. Next up, we stopped in Greece for the lamb gyro. This was okay, a little dry, I would kind of pass on it. We stopped in Brazil for the Brazilian cheese bread, which is extremely good, super gooey. You can eat so much cheese at the Food and Wine Festival. And then at the Germany booth, the Schinknuden is an all-time favorite for us. We only had about a 2-hour window before all the lines at the food booths got pretty insane for the rest of the day. At Coastal Eats, we grabbed some oyster Rockefeller. After eating for a while, we then cooled off for a nice ride on Frozen. Unfortunately, we didn't finish drinking around the world, but we had a fun time trying. To finish up the day, we had a ride on Soarin' and then Living with the Land. Living with the Land is one of our favorite rides at Epcot. It changes through the season with whatever's in bloom. It's a relaxing ride through some gardens with a little bit of education. Overall, we had a great day at Epcot. It was a little busier than we expected. We didn't get to eat as many items as we wanted to just because of the crowd levels. We were also a little tired this day from doing Mickey's Not So Scary the night before and then Halloween Horror Nights the night before that. We ended up leaving before dark just because we were so burned out. Thanks for joining us for this video. If you like this, please like and subscribe. And then as always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.